going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for responding to the last video. But guys, I have a very special guest, guys, and it is Wario.
Oh, everyone, Wario time! Whoa!
Yeah, guys, so today's gonna be a really awesome tutorial. And do you know what we're doing today, Wario?
Gonna show you how to get all the money in a murder mystery to Roblox. Whoa!
Yeah, guys. So, as you can see, we put a lot of time into this video because I needed to call Wario on Skype. So, yeah, guys. Alright, guys, so now that we're in the game, I'm here with Wario. And, guys, this tutorial is going to be on how to get coins. So, Wario, can you show us how to do it?
Gotta get into the safe where all the money is located. And then you gotta go be the murderer. As you can see, I had the knife.
Whoa!
Got to go into this closet over here. It's a bit hard to squeeze in. So I'll get there eventually.
Guys, while Wario's doing that, comment down below what do you think will happen next.
As a Wario will get in his safe. Whoa!
Yeah, guys.
Now, once you've almost gotten in, you have to stab your friends.
No, guys! Guys, Wario's a fucking bastard! So yeah, guys, and that's it for the tutorial. Wario, did you get all your money?
Yeah, so Wario got all the shitty money. Whoa!
Yeah, guys, that's all for the video, and check out more of our videos!